Hello mga ka-YouTube, eto si Mami A, nagluto ng pakbet, syempre for health reasons, kay Mami A yan ang aking ulam because my second son requested me to cook bulalo guys, and this is what I did. This is my own style of bulalo, ayan guys kasi guys, pag bumili ka nito napakamahal, and besides hindi ka masyadong masasatisfied kasi nga, sa sobrang mahal, syempre isang order na lang, babawi ka na lang sa sabaw. Ayan guys, ganun ginagawa ko. So I decided to buy na lang beef shank. Ayan guys, yan ang ginawa kong bulalo. Ayan guys, masyado hindi ko matanggal So ayan guys, ayan. Ayan guys, see the laman, it's more lean. Ayan guys, pinalambot ko yan sa pressure cooker, and then simple cooking lang, nilagyan ko siya ng eto guys, mais at saka wambok. Kung tawagin sa atin in Tagalog is pechay bagong. At saka beef cubes, sibuyas lang. And then I let it boil on the pressure cooker. Nung lumambot na, yun lang. Lalagay mo lang yung mga ingredients ng iba. At saka paminta. As simple as that. Kasi pag bumili ka nito, naku, isang order nito nasa 500 plus. Kaya medyo, if you are a wise mom, yun. Ang rules ko lang kasi for me is they have to buy the ingredients and everything, and I'll be the one to cook. Wala na akong corkage charge. Wala na. Kasi syempre, anak mo naman guys. Ayan guys. Bulalo sa aking healthy son, and sa maming medyo delikado yung karamdaman. Hindi pwedeng kumain ng hindi veggies. Kasi nowadays, yung mga oldest na katulad ko, we have to watch for our food. Mga gulay talaga. It's best recommended by the doctors na kailangan gulay. So, I decided to cook pakbet. At saka nilagay ko lang dyan guys, konting-konting pork pat lang. At tapos yung alamang, kamatis, sibuyas. Napaka-simple lang. This is just a basic cooking. Pero alam niyo naman si Mami, nakadedicate pa nagluluto. So, I should say masarap. And that's all for the day. Aking mga ka-YouTube, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, Mami A naman. Bye. God bless everyone.